On the safety of the citizen in the state, Dr. Sangma said the effective implementation of Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act is the best mechanism to check influx into the state. While expressing the need for implementation of ILP, Dr. Sangma said the entry and exit point in the state will not suffice on the ground that Meghalaya is having a long porous border with Bangladesh. He reiterated that MRSSA should be effectively implemented across the state to ensure the safety of all the residents.
We have to be realistic and scientific. Now, with long, porous, interstate border with Assam, when we are talking about interstate entry-exit point to facilitate, whole filtering of the people who enter and exit the state, as per the mandate of the Meghalaya Resident Safety Security Act, we also have other rules which will not be covered. How do you take care of that? The Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act has a provision to address that concern. That even after anybody sneak into the state, they will not be able to reside in the state without actually providing all their credentials to the concerned authorities. And therefore, the provision in the Meghalaya Resident Safety Security Act is that any locality wherever a premises is rent out for any tenants must have all the measures put in place as per the mandate of the law, as per the mandate of Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act, to provide all the details about indicating the credentials of the concerned citizen who would like to take a space on rent, whether it is for any business or any purpose of residence. And these measures which is required to be placed in different localities are designed in such a way that it involves our traditional institutions, our local authorities, in addition to the local police authorities. Meaning you have the complete involvement of the people themselves, so there is a complete check and balance mechanism, multi-layered way of filtering the credentials of the people who are entering. Keeping in mind, the massive challenge that we face in view of the illegal immigration in this part of the country.